the book primarily is kind of for everyone who wants to learn about statistics. So, it's a massive book, and it's, I guess in a way, you could sort of split it into 3 sections. So the first third of the book is aimed, I guess, at kind of first-year undergraduates who are not statistics specialists, so people in social science or medicine or business or whatever, who have to learn statistics. It's aimed at people with no background knowledge at all. And then the sort of middle third, I guess, is kind of second-year undergraduate level. And then the sort of final third is more advanced topics, which some undergraduate modules would cover and some postgraduate modules would cover. So yeah, it kind of, at least if you're a social scientist, it's aiming to take you from 0 to hero over 1,000 pages.